Know their business. Take the time to really know the business. Every company is unique. Every company has decided to approach their market in some unique way, and there's certain things that are resonating with them more than others. I'd say spend a lot of time trying to understand what those things are. What gets people up every day and makes them want to do the job that they're doing, and build that kind of rapport with them before you even start talking about what the technical requirements are. That will come, and that will be the easy part if you get this first part right with the people.
Just to build on that, it's a very fair point. We've been working with Echidna for 8+ years, and one of the reasons is that they have actually been a partner with us. They have been transparent. We've built great communication, and we're all special snowflakes. We all have our special business rules, and we all have our weird cultural norms, like the untouchables within the company, things you can do, things you can't do. It is sometimes a challenge to try to work with a vendor when they just don't get that there are some things that you can't do. So having the flexibility and adaptability of an SI that is willing to say, okay, now that I understand the ground rules, let's move this forward in another way, another direction.
Right. Yep.